The Andromedans come from the Andromeda star system. They are fully conscious and sovereign beings, and are one of the most spiritually advanced races in our universe. They are at the pinnacle of unconditional love, and there are elders amongst them who counsel master teachers and constellation fathers from every star nation. The Andromedans' cosmic agenda is to embrace all life with grace, dignity, and love, to share cosmic knowledge and wisdom, and to assist souls ready to advance into the grandeur and tiers of the universal consciousness. When Earth makes the dimensional shift into full consciousness, they, as well as other higher dimensional collectives, will become our cosmic teachers, our supreme mentors of knowledge and wisdom. They are sought after because of their diplomacy with all worlds. The following is a transmission from the collective 12th dimensional Andromedans sent to Oribel Joy Divine. As always, take only that which resonate with you, and leave the rest. Please enjoy.
We ask you to increase your energy of trust in yourself and in your fellow human beings. When you begin to trust, you begin to open your heart even more. Open your heart to begin trusting again to what you had once closed because of past hurts and traumas. When you open your heart, you are also open to sending out your own positive energies of higher frequency. Begin sending more love, compassion, peace, and harmony into the world from your heart center. It is the first step to opening your higher energy centers you call chakras. Without opening your heart center, your upper spiritual chakras cannot be activated. Activate means make active. What you don't use, they remain dormant. It is crucial to have all your chakras activated in order to move speedily on your path of ascension. Send more energy from your heart center, it is the giver of life. Care for your heart center as you would a child that's precious to a mother. Begin each day by acknowledging the love of the divine that flows from your heart center. Send the first streams of love to yourself. Give the gift of divine love to yourself first, and you'll have more to give to others. It is this simple process that would help you become a wonderful giver of unconditional love. And next, give intent to send that divine love to any human, animal, plant or situation that needs it. Trust the energies to deliver your unconditional love to the recipients who are in need. Stay open and loving as you trust your intention is carried out. Be a giver of love to those who do not know yet that they can give themselves this love. With that love that you send out, your wisdom too follows. It will help the recipients to remember that they too have the ability within them to do likewise. In the meantime, be the unconditional giver and sender of divine love. This is much needed in the world. This is how you transfer divine love to another. All sentient beings need love to nourish their souls. If you're listening to this message, we ask you to practice on a daily basis to give love to yourself first. When you give to another this divine love, you are assuming the role of spirit on earth. You play an important role by transferring the divine love from your heart center that is source. Practice this every day, and you'll be more peaceful and loving. We are the Andromedans, cheering you onward and upward on your journey of ascension. Adonai.